with Flower in the Desert, back after maybe a week or two with not posting any videos. But you guys know that I've been moving, so today I wanted to show you for the first time my new home. I'm not going to show you the inside because honestly it's still a mess. There's still a lot of boxes in there, but I wanted to show you the land, which is the main reason we moved into this place. I wanted more land. You guys all know more space for me to garden and space for my kids to play. So let me show you around really quick, and yeah, let's have fun. All right, let's start here. Let me show you what I'm planning to do my animals, and probably three forests area. So when we bought this property, there used to be horses here. This was a horse property. Oops. Okay. Now I can open. So all of this it is mine. This house is about an acre. Yeah, horses, like I mentioned before, here. So this area now will be most likely used for other animals. I'm not planning right now on having anything other than probably chickens. My daughter wants to raise some bunnies, and that's where we start and go from there. I don't want to go jump into goats or anything like that yet. I don't think I'm ready. But yeah, this is that area here, and it looks great because it's already raised. Here in Arizona we do what is called flood irrigation, which means we have water from the canals coming through and pretty much flooding your yard. So if you're going to have any kind of animals, you need that area to be raised about a foot or so above that, so that you can keep the animals dry. But it's already built, and it's going to be perfect for my chickens to start with. Of course, I'm going to put them in a coop as well, under here. And my idea is to kind of use this perimeter area here, start with the perimeter probably, do some fruit trees. And I know what people are saying, but if you have fruit trees and goats and whatever, again, like I said, I'm not sure I'm going to have any goats or any animals that kind. And even if I do, you can still protect the tree from them, but still be like corral or do what you need to do. These are my neighbor's goats right there. All right. So yeah, this is my part of my acre. But let me go back and show you the other part. The one that's behind my house. This is to the side of my house right now. Have a nice shed there too. Put all my gardening stuff and animal stuff. So right behind the shed and all this little part here is mine too. I'm gonna go the other direction right now. To the back. And guys, here are my plants. Again, like I said, we just moved a couple days ago. So I haven't had time to do much other than just, water them and keep them nice. So there they are, all in here. I know, that's crazy. I'm gonna have to do something about it pretty soon. Figure out where they're gonna go, but they seem to be doing okay here. So, but back to my yard. Here it is. because I'm trying to decide what my garden is gonna go. What will be the best area? For example, in this area here, this is a nice tree. And it looks like she already has some sort of a garden because she has a watering system here, and it's kind of almost set up for sprinklers. I could just probably add to that line right there, and maybe do something all here, all this area. There's another tree there. One thing I have to figure out is how I'm gonna protect that garden, because you know, this is not my house in the suburbs anymore, even though I'm really close to everything here. But there are, and you will see, gophers, probably rats, if I had to guess, somewhere around here. I hope not, but gophers for sure. Bunnies for sure. See those holes? Everywhere. Yeah. So of course I'm gonna have to, you know, try to see if I can take care of that first, and try to eliminate as much as as many as I can, I guess, from my property. But you know, it's impossible to get rid of them. I know, you know, all of them, but at least to keep it at a point where it's not a pest that's gonna ruin everything that I put down. So everything will be going into raised beds anyways because of it. But on top of that, I'm probably gonna have to create some sort of protection around that, like an enclosed area, because these animals come from the ground, so they can still dig down there and still eat it. There you go. This is more in my yard. So yeah, the garden might go there. Here. All of this. We want to put a pool down here like we used to in my other house too. So there will be a pool somewhere in here too. There's still plenty of room for gardening. This is the other area where I think I could do gardening, because it's very super big, and I should have to figure out again the watering all of it. But hey girl. My dog. But yeah, all of this. So I do have a lot of plans for this area. Like I mentioned, probably a pool there maybe in the future, but also can't wait to get my garden that's going. And get out of the sun here. It's real hot. Yeah. So what do you guys think? I'm super excited. So you guys think I should do the garden in that area or more into that area over here? Let me know what you think in the comments below. I hope you guys liked this video. And I'm gonna turn around here so I can say bye. Don't forget to press the like button if you like this video, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. And I can't wait, like I said, to start working on this. In the next few videos, you're probably gonna see me doing a lot of outdoor gardening as much as I can, because it is summer in Arizona and we are over 100 degrees every day. So even if it's just 10 minutes a day, I'm gonna try my best to get something started, because I really want to get things going here. So alright guys, thank you for staying here with me today, and welcome to my new garden and future garden. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.